Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going to be cooking Japanese style pork belly. So I've got this beautiful little Konro Grill here. It's a Japanese style shishirin grill and it's an amazing bit of kit. I've cooked on it before and I got it back for a little bit. It's a great way to cook. It's very heat intense in this area without flaring up, so it's a great bit of kit to cook little skewers on, little yakitori on. And today I've got some lovely pork belly here. So I've got some of the leaner part of the pork belly here that I've just kept whole. That's going to have the fruity yuzu and honey, and I've got this slightly fattier bit that I've cubed up of the pork belly, and that's going to be getting the soy, mirin and honey glaze. Beautiful glaze that is. So first thing I'm going to do is just a little bit of this togarashi spice. So this has got chilies in, it's got sesame seeds, it's got all kinds of nice spice in, and it's going to not burn when it's on the grill. Okay, just a little sprinkle, so it's quite spicy. As you can hear, I've got a bit of a cold, so this is going to blow hopefully that cold away. A bit more on there. That's a nice temperature to cook this pork belly on. Okay, I'm going to put that on there, and then just enough room hopefully for these here. I want these to cook nice and slowly. I don't want them to be too seared. Pork belly needs a nice caramelization for slow cooking. I'm going to pop some of these peppers on to char up as well. Okay, so when you're feeling happy that they're not far off, you can start painting them. This, and see what happens, it starts to flare up, so you need to work quite quickly. And just give them a nice little coating of this. And that's to caramelise up and go all sticky quite quickly. As you can see, it chars up lovely. These are done. Allow them to rest. And I'm going to brush the yuzu and honey on these ones. Okay, so they're done. Take those off. Peppers off. So I'm going to have a little taste of this. Lovely soft pork belly. Nice crispy caramelisation, and that glaze works really nicely with that. So that's the mirin, soy and honey one. That's good. Let's have a taste of the yuzu and honey. That's really good too. I think of the two, the yuzu and honey works really well. That nice citrus flavour is a winner, but these are both really good little yakitori type skewers. Really impressed with these. I'm going to get stuck in and enjoy them. And there's a link down there. Please subscribe, like and comment, and let me know you like what I'm doing. It's all appreciated. Take care. Cheers.